Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to debug JavaScripts in Google DevTools. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So debugging JavaScripts in Google Development Tools is a powerful process that lets you pause your code's execution and examine its state to find and fix bugs. So first of all, you need to simply open DevTools and reproduce the bug. You need to navigate to the source panel and reproduce it. So, after you have done this, pause code execution with a breakpoint. A breakpoint is a point where a code execution will stop, allowing you to inspect what is happening. You can simply have a line of code breakpoint, and then you can step through the code. You can simply step through the code once the code is paused at a breakpoint. You can use the controls in the source panel to navigate through it. Then you can examine variables and the call stack. After this, you can simply evaluate expressions and apply a fix. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.